Yes, Massive and Crew back once again with another video, and today we are going to have a little look at Looperman.com. Now, excuse me, I live under a rock. I'm assuming this website's been around for quite a long time. Comment down below if you've been using it. I've just literally made a little registration and gone online. There's tons of samples here, and it seems like it's a pretty cool place to find some new bits and pieces to mess about with. You've got, you know, like a search bar here. You can search by member name if you're into members stuff. They're producing some pretty good loops. You could probably even produce loops for this website. You can search by keyword, you can search by tempo, category, etc. And there's lots and lots of samples here to just literally download. Once you've registered and you've uploaded your avatar, you can then download the cool samples on here. So, you know, there's lots and lots of samples, tons of stuff you can just download, experiment with, which is pretty cool. And if you like something, you literally just download it like that. And then obviously don't forget to send a, you know, a quote. Send a comment to say, you know, yo, nice sample. You know what I mean? And at least take the time out to comment on, you know, the person's profile. And yeah, just flicking through some real nice sounds, man. And if you're into loops, you can either take the sound, replay it, or you can, you know, use it as it is. Some cool little sounds, man. Let's check out a few. Look, scroll down. See what else we got here. That's nice. Download. See what this is. Oh, this one's not. That's nice, man. Nice little piano riff there. 140 BPM. Get some vibes going. Yeah, man, that's well good. I think there should be like a little like button. Let's see what this little copyright does. All loops are royalty free. Please see the terms and conditions page for full details on copyright and how loops can be used in your projects. Okay, so that's a copyright page. So let's have a look. So if there is a copyright, where would I find that? Help, I guess. Let's have a look. Help. Copyright page. Nope, can't find that. Let's have a look. Now, alright, I'm going to read that in my own time anyway, but you guys read that, see what the terms and conditions are, make sure that you're not doing anything, you know, that's going to come back and haunt you if you make a big tune. Cool, man. Alright, so let's, hey, look, you've even got hashtags here. If you hit jungle, let's see what comes up. Okay. BPM though. Nice effect. There you go. There's a junglist there, mate. Big up. Shout out to General Guru. Yeah, man, that's kind of fat. I like that. And it's all free. I mean, it's great if you've got the time to just sit here and go through. Can't really complain. That's a nice little one there, look. Fat little beat. Look at that. 1200 downloads. So you probably have to change it up a bit. You know, make it your own. Alright, let's see what bassline sounds we got on this website now. Let's go from deep house, build up. Oh, look, drum and bass here, look. Let's see what we got if this is drum and bass now. Bad boy, amen. Silency. I think this is the guy who sent me the link to this site, so I'll say big up Mr. Silency for sending me the link, mate. Got a picture of Goldie up there. Little snappy, steppy loop. Okay, 1, 2, 8. Okay, it's drum and bass, I guess. It's drum. Yeah. Nice loop, bro. Big up Silency. Silence created some nice little loops there. Okay. That loop's a little bit off on the snare. I don't know if you've done that deliberate. Okay, maybe not. Fat notes, man. Big up Anthoroid on this one. Nice, man. What else we got? Okay, that one's kind of all over the place, bro. Snare needs sorting out on that one. Proper lagging. Big. Needs to tighten up on the old editing on the loop there. Two loops, cool, man. What we got? Carnage. Yeah, that one's alright, man. Not bad, not bad. What we got? Yeah, man, nice little steppy beat there. Use that for all sorts, ragga, whatever. Nice. Man, you could be here for ages downloading stuff. Funky. Boom, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat. Yeah, man, good. Alright, what else we got? Nice string, man, nice string. There's stacks of stuff on here. Look at all these tags, man. It's insane. Look, reggae, look. Let's go reggae, look. Let's go reggae, look. Some nice little reggae loops now, look. Wicked. Only things I will say about this is you have to be prepared to change these up, or you know you're gonna have to work on the understanding that 404 people have downloaded the same thing as you. So always try to create where you can, because that's always important. Nice guitar there, man. Shout to Bacco Bone. Good stuff, man. Anyway, not going too long into the video, you get the drift. There's acapellas on there as well. What's this acapella? Let me see. Are these actual real people that have like... Garbage stone. All he do is spit the same word. You're the worst rapper I ever heard. You know what, guys? Let me get a little drum kit together here on the keyboard. And then let me have a quick little mess about with some of these acapellas, yeah? I want be with you forever. Sick, man. Let me see that. I'll be with you forever. I want be with you forever. That's big, man. That's big. That's big. Garbage stone. All he do is spit the same word. You're the worst rapper I ever heard. You should really leave planet Earth. You look like you play with nerds. You should really leave planet Earth. But I understand you. Everything that we went through. One day I'll be there for you. One day it'll come true. All the dreams that we had. Tears, sweat, and pain. All the things from yesterday. What I gotta do, cause everything I knew was wrong. What I gotta do, cause everything I knew was in this song. You never asked me to change. I always did you the same. I know I'm the one who wants. Interesting. Wicked Junglist Crew. Alright, let's see what else we got.
I don't need to be like nobody else. I'm an individual. I'm an individual. I'm an individual. I'm an individual. Visual. I'm an individual. I'm an individual. I'm an individual. I'm different. I don't need to be like nobody else but me.
Yes, peeps. So plenty of acapellas there to mess about with. All you got to do is check them out. Yeah. That's it for now. Looperman crew, big up your chest. Take care. God bless. Peace.